Mr. Jose Keklin, the owner, started this lodge 30 years ago, this year. He was a visionary in ecotourism. He's a lover of nature. He's a passion for nature.
You know, when the people feel lost in the jungle, you can survive eating termites and drinking water from the, you know, the bamboo stick, no? Yeah. From the bamboo stick you can get water. So you have water and you have your snack with some termites. No, look, the termites look like they are. The termites,
there they are.
No? Oh. Look, the people do, no? It's just.
It's small.
It's like.
Does it taste good?
Okay.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Where are you?
Yeah.
You like to try?
Tastes like chicken.
Like a piece of wood. You know, the people.
You try it.
The local people say that you can get a lot of vitamins.
Yeah.
A piece of wood.
Not even pet. Oh, beautiful. Spice. Oh, taste it.
Okay.
Oh, reminds me.
All right.
There you go.
Okay.
Welcome to the jungle.
Okay. Lunch. It's very aromatic, you know? Very good, very interesting flavor. Let's have, can we have a little snack here? Anybody?
Sure. Let me get some water.
Great. These are the social spiders working together. They realize that they can get bigger prey.